himself up. He sees his reflection. So, oh, look, he's talking smack. He sees his reflection in the truck windshield. And he's trying to destroy it. See? Jeez.
He's been doing that for about 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes now. I wonder if he's going to give up. The truck drives off. He's like, oh, screw it. You can have it.
It's rare to see cardinals out. And for him to do that, that's crazy.
Look at him. Got me!
Yeah. Great timing.
Yeah. He's got to be drunk.
Yeah.
Just want to pick a fight with everything. Look at him.
Like, what the hell?
So we're going, dude.
He's just chilling there.
Yeah. Please scroll to the next window.
Every time he jumps, he goes. It's like he's looking to see if anybody saw him. Anybody catch that?
It looks like he's trying to tangle up with him. And when he grabs, he's getting up with glass and falls off. See?
Yeah. What the heck, dumbass bird?
Yeah.
It's stupid.
Yeah, this bird's got no sense. He's being a douche.